guys, today we're at the Clique Hotel and I noticed that on YouTube there's not a lot of video on this place. I thought I would take you guys to a tour. So right here is the bathroom. It's either towels or ropes up there. And then it's really nice that they have LED lights for the mirror. And then they have our basic necessities like conditioner, body lotion. Ooh, look, they even have salt, like some kind of bath. They have bath salt, guys, look.
Whoa.
Right? That's fancy, hey? Oh, they have makeup remover wipes, a bunch of towels, toilet paper, and a TV. They have a TV in the bathroom. This is their shower. See, they have showers for your back. And then right on top. Yeah, like I read in the reviews and people said they really like the back like shower because it like massages you. But I'm short, so it's probably gonna like hit my head. So maybe a head massage, but I don't know. I might not like it. So they have a nice bathtub. So I guess when you're taking a bath, you can watch the TV at the same time. For the bathroom, they also have a clear scale in case you want to weigh yourself. And then look, they have a massage bar. And they have a shower panel guide. What's in here? Oh, they have a safe right there, a laundry bag, lots of space. They have a Keurig right there. Oh, they have a mini fridge that's empty. A fancy tissue box. Oh, and then this must be the makeup desk right here. Huh? A vanity table, kind of. And then there's like a mirror here. It's really close up, so you can do like all your eye makeup, tweeze your eyebrows. They have a nice TV here. Oh, a nice Samsung TV. And then yeah, it's smoke-free, vape-free, odor-free. And then here's a work table. So you can put your laptop there, do all the work you need. A nice lounging chair. And then look, this bed has LED lights. So cool. Can we turn off the lights and see what it looks like? Thank you. Wow. Wait, can we change the settings on the bed? I heard you can do that. Wait, turn on the lights again, please. Thank you. Okay, they said there's like a button somewhere here. Guys, help me figure out where to. Nixon, help me. Tracy, help. Oh, they even have Tic Tacs right here. That's really nice of them. Oh, here, LED light control.
There you go.
Okay, so wait, can we turn off the lights again? Thank you. So you can actually change the color. Oh, look. Wow. Okay, okay. Fancy. Okay, what else can it? Where did? Yeah, so you can change it any color you want. And then you can. This is cool. And then. That's nice, hey. What color was on earlier? Purple? Kind of glitchy. I don't know where to face it. Oh no. Help.
Oh my gosh. It's like seizure.
I know, I don't know. Okay, wait. Where did I face it?
Oh, it's like those green.
There, purple. There. Okay.
This is when it started, right?
Yeah.
That's the highest it goes. So it only, this one comes.
Oh! Come here, look.
This one goes on two.
Wait, look. Do you see that? It just close. Hey, wait, you do it, you do it. Close it, close it. You'll see what I mean. No, push a bit more. Weird, right?
It has that
also have a DVD player right here. So there's a seating area. And then Nixon's just watching hockey right now. And then upon walking in, there's another mirror right here, a full-size mirror. And then this is Tracy, she's visiting. Hello, Tracy. And then, okay. So our room has a city view and mountain view. So you can see over there, you can see that there's the city. Very cool. Wait, can we hit the lights one more time, please? Thank you. Yeah, so you can see the city. I'm sure it's gonna look so beautiful when the sun rises tomorrow. I don't see the mountains though, but maybe I'll see it tomorrow in the daytime. It's kind of dark right now. And then the cool thing about this hotel is there's a rooftop hot tub up there. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys there and then we can check it out together. So they have purple lights in the hallway. Where's the... We came this way? What is it?
Vending machine.
Oh yeah, they have a vending machine just around the corner. Look guys, look. So I have the wide angle lens, right? But look. So look how close we are.
Cool.
And then look how far away we are.
Oh.
So then
And then it's full frame.
yeah, and it's like magnetic, so really cool. Oh, and this has zoom too. Look, ready? We can zoom.
Whoa, oh, it's going into my
Ready?
face.
Whoa.
So there's...
They're in use, eh?
Well, we're not gonna jump in anyways. Oh, so they have... Do they have like free water bottles here? So we're in the gym right now. Wow. You can have a whole gym to yourself. Oh, and there's a TV right there. Oh yeah, keep in mind guys, it's like 11 p.m. right now, so that's why everything's like off and it's a bit dark, but that's okay. Oh, they also have towels right here. So it's the next morning now, and we didn't realize checkout was at 11 because the night before they told us that was either 11 or 12, so we thought like we could stay till 12. So we had to rush out, so that's why we're in the car now doing this vlog. Honestly, I think this hotel was really worth it. It was very affordable. It had such cool features. The only drawback about this hotel is that there's no microwave. In the advertisement, they said that there would be a city view and a mountain view, but when I looked out the window this morning, there was no mountain view. I saw the city view, but it wasn't as nice as I pictured it. It was just a bunch of like parking lots and a bunch of like buildings. The room was supposed to be soundproof as well, but when I was sleeping, I kind of heard like footsteps in the toilet like flushing. It's not like I heard it like all throughout the night, maybe like 30 seconds twice last night. So it's not as soundproof as they claim. But yeah, that's the only like negative things I can think about it. What about you?
Other than those, I liked it.
Other than that, the service was really good. The features were really cool. Oh, and another drawback is that the hot tub didn't seem as safe because of like the whole COVID restriction. There was a lot of strangers there. It was really crowded too, so we did not hop in. But yeah, so that's the only thing. Like we couldn't really use the hot tub because there was too many people and it didn't really seem safe. No one was wearing a mask, which makes sense because they're in the hot tub, but like they seem just too close together. I wish that it was more separated. Yeah, honestly, I would say I would stay here again. What about you?
I would stay here. I enjoyed it very much. Staff were really friendly and everything.
They were so nice. Like, it was a really good service. But yeah, this is just a quick vlog. I just wanted to do this because there was not a lot of videos on this hotel, and I wanted to make it as informative as I can. Because when I tried looking up videos on YouTube for this hotel, I couldn't find much, and I think it's just so cool. So I wanted other people to see the cool stuff, and I wanted to take you guys with us on this mini adventure. And yeah, I think that's it for today. See you guys next time. Peace. Let you in under my skin.